Welcome to Chinmaya IAS Academy. Myself Gunasekar, having around 20 years of experience in CSAT coaching. Chinmaya IAS Academy, we are planning for a CSAT crash course, 6 months crash course. So weekly 2 classes and 1 workout sessions. Okay, so questions கொடுத்து நீங்க workout பண்ற மாதிரி we are planning. So in this 6 months we are planning 50 plus classes and 25 workout sessions and then 10 plus tests we are planning. Apart from that, we will be in one WhatsApp group and you can post all your doubts apart from our doubt clearing sessions. So 6 months plan பண்றோம். So welcome to our demo class. We are planning on November 19, 20, 21. The 3 days we are planning our demo class. So demo class க்கு வாங்க. So definitely we will impress you. We will help you to clear CSAT.